Morning, how are you guys? Hello, hello, happy Monday. How's everyone doing today? Good morning. 85, 485 here. Key level for the Q to hold. 562, I will say. 563 will be for SPY. And Apple 200. Oops. Apple is holding not too good. Under 200, that means it's very weak. We have data in like 8 more minutes. Microsoft holding very good so far. I want to see Microsoft touching 439 and 444. SPY looking kind of weak. How was your weekend? Here in Miami was extremely rainy. I don't know if you guys saw the F1, the race. It was raining the entire race.
The city hums its own ballet. Cars and footsteps sink our sway.
Okay. I like this 584, 585 hold on the Q. That's the VWAP. The problem is SPY. SPY is looking pretty weak. And I will say if SPY cannot hold Friday's low, I think we're gonna go back down to 555, 554.
Golden invitation to life's sweet game. Stretch my arms like wings, give a yawn or two. Oh, the world feels brand new. Coffee percolates with a steady hum. Melodies of the morning, here they come. Barefoot on the floor, I twirl in place, grateful for the gifts that this day will embrace. Rise and shine.
Microsoft, that swing trade is killing it. So happy I took it with a small account also. Hey, Francisco. Okay, that was a beautiful QQQ VWAP hold. That's what we want to see if we want to play the upside continuation.
Even if rain should kiss the ground, comfort in knowing beauty abounds, cloudy or clear, the promise remains, a day worth living through joys and strains. Rise and shine, it's a beautiful day, sunbeams calling, can't stay away. Take a deep breath, let the joy begin. Open your heart, let the light pour in.
Apple really fighting this 199 200 level. And Nvidia, I want to see Nvidia holding 115 strongly as support.
Whispers of light slip through the trees. A gentle hum rides the morning breeze. Birds in chorus, their sweet refrain, welcoming the day again and again. Oh, the sound
I use the started, not the started plus. I use the started accounts on my funded futures.
mornings where peace transcends every note, a world to explore. The sound of a beautiful morning once more. The kettle sings its cheerful tune.
I honestly don't remember the rules because I got those accounts like months and months ago. I don't trade it. I don't trade them like every single day because my main prop is Apex, but I do use my funded futures and Tradeify as a kind of like a side hustle. But I don't remember their rules, to be honest. But I do know my funded future is one of the easiest one. It only allows you to trade with 3 accounts.
Rustling leaves like a secret shared. The world prepares, it's so laid bare. Each moment strums a quiet string.
I like this hold. I definitely like this hold.
Hymn that makes hearts sing. Step into the sun,
Whoa,
clouds in
whoa,
the way.
whoa.
Feel the buzz
Okay, data is out.
today. Every step I take feels like gold. A brand new story about to unfold. Today's gonna be amazing. I feel it in my bones. The rhythm in my heart keeps setting the tone. No mountain too high, no dream too far. When you're lighting up the world like a shooting star.
The market looks like it wants to go and fill the gap that it has above, the gap that created overnight. So we have a gap here that from today's open till Friday's close.
Smiled right back. Unstoppable train on this shining
We have gap here.
turn I take feels bold and bright. day's gonna be amazing. I
Oh,
feel it in my bones. The rhythm in my heart keeps setting the tone.
well, I cannot try that.
Mountain too high, no dream too far. When you're lighting up the world like a shooting star, break down the wall, feel the spark ignite. Every shadow fades in the morning light. I'll chase the wind till I reach the sky. With every heartbeat, I'm learning to fly. The sun cracks the sky, no time to delay. Chasing the shadows that long overstay. Golden beams dance and whisper your name. Rise up now, life's a sparkling game. Morning radiance breaks through the haze, illuminating hearts and setting ablaze. Step into the light, let your spirit sing. Every new dawn, a miraculous thing. Throw open the curtains, let the air in. A burst of new hope where dreams begin.
Let's see if Tesla can hold the VWAP. That could be a change of direction. Tesla looks like it wants to hold 280. And I can see how Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, 280 was kind of a important level. Ugly reaction there.
Every new dawn, a miraculous thing. Hold your head high, brighter you shine. Feel every moment, you're one of a kind. The morning whispers, you're destined to glow. Carry the brilliance wherever you go. Morning,
Ooh, that's ugly.
radiance breaks through the haze,
Ugly reaction.
setting ablaze.
What a reaction.
Into the light, let your spirit sing. Every new dawn, a miraculous thing.
Damn. Okay, I kind of like this spy hold. Let's see if it's really gonna hold.
Steam's rising like a morning dance. Sunlight kisses, takes its chance. Golden cups in my eager hands. Wake me up to life's demands. Sip by sip, the day begins. This warm elixir feels
I'm
like
gonna try this spy. My stop loss is gonna be if cannot hold the VWAP.
joyful rivers flow within, like a cup of joy in the morning glow, filling me up as the world goes slow. Smooth and strong, it starts to show. Brewed with love, let the good vibes grow.
Let's see. Okay, stop me out there. Okay, the candlesticks are moving weird. I like that hold. Okay. Well, I got fake out there. Definitely looks like it. Ooh, nice move. But still a weird price action. Apple is still having a lot of trouble at 200. It looks like it's rejecting 200. Nvidia is fighting the VWAP. Tesla rejecting the VWAP. Microsoft holding the VWAP. Mm. We're holding support here on SPY. We're holding the VWAP, but I don't like how these candlesticks are forming, and I don't like this price action. Nvidia very weak.
Breath of fresh air, deep inhale, feel the world unfold. Grains of sunlight ignite the gold.
I always use the same time frames, guys. No different. If I'm watching SPY, like you, always the same time frames. Same time frames. What does same time frames mean? So what I'm seeing is here we have a SPY holding pretty good. Ugly candlesticks, ugly price action, but we have SPY in the queue holding the VWAP and holding support, right? We have Nvidia being extremely weak, which is kind of weird seeing the market holding with Nvidia acting like it's acting. And we have also Apple having a lot of trouble under 200, like it's having trouble holding 200. So do I like the possible upside here on the SPY in the queue? Yes, but I don't trust it because seeing how individual stocks are acting, it's weird. Microsoft barely holding the VWAP, Tesla very weak also.
The sleepy street, dreams of yesterday beneath my feet, breathing in the dawn so sweet. This day is mine, it's my heartbeat. Morning breeze,
Yeah, what's going on with Nvidia?
whispers
Let me
of
check.
as the clouds divide. Every step a brand new chance. I'm alive in this fresh new dance. The trees sway soft, they hum my song. The horizon stretches, it pulls me along. Time's a river and I'm midstream, chasing down my golden dream. Morning breeze, catch my stride. Whispers
SPY definitely looks like it wants to go. I would like to see Apple holding the 200 level. I would definitely have more confidence on this possible upside here on SPY.
world spins slow, let it take its time. Each second feels like a perfect rhyme. No past, no fear, just this new shine. I'm moving forward, the future's mine. Morning breeze, catch my stride. Whispers of hope as the clouds divide.
Morning. Hello.
Every step a brand new chance. I'm alive in this fresh new.
So here we can see like one thing is seeing the market holding a level or holding the VWAP. Another thing is seeing how it's reacting there, right?
The sun peeks in through the blinds so wide. A brand new day with the world as its guide. The coffee's brewing, the notes
Okay,
take
that looks
flight.
better.
Morning groove set the tone just right. Shoes tap lightly on the kitchen tile. The paper's folded, it's been quite a while. The kettle sings a sweet refrain. This cheerful rhythm eases the strain. Oh, morning groove, you're my sweet dance. Every pulsing beat gives my day a chance. Up and atom, time to shine bright. You're my morning muse, my guiding light. Oh, morning groove, your sweet dance. Every
Nvidia, Tesla still very weak.
day a chance. Up and atom, time to shine bright. You're my morning muse, my guiding light. The birds outside join in the fun, a melody born of the waking sun. The bustling street is an urban choir. As life
Yeah, very ugly PA. With this PA, it's very easy to be read or blow up a account, so it's better for us to just stay away and be patient, even if that means like missing a trade. Better to be safe than sorry, especially when when we're playing with our money. If I see Apple holding the VWAP, most likely I'm gonna enter a trade there. Okay, I like that move. Let's see if we have continuation or it's gonna be another ugly reaction here. Is it me or the market is not really moving? Hi. Another 564 rejection here on SPY. Yeah, I know we have FOMC on Wednesday and we have like 5 Feds speaking on Friday. Another ugly reaction. But again, this is another perfect example of not blindly only going for a trade just because one thing is holding, right? So in this example, it will be okay. So we have the VWAP and the level holding. Yes, but what is the market telling you? Can you trust this price action? What are these candlesticks telling you? It's just choppy, so it's not an A plus setup, even though the market it's been on an uptrend the past few days or last week. So we have an uptrend, we have a gap above, I'm talking about SPY, we have the VWAP holding, and we have a level holding. But that means nothing if we see this ugly price action holding support. So that would, for me, it's not an A plus setup. It's a risky setup. Can you know easily what would be your play, your entry, and your stop loss? Yes. So basically you have these. The play will be the gap above. Your stop loss will be if it loses this little support here, and your entry will be as close as possible as support or the VWAP, right? So you have something like that. So you have something like this. This is a 4.92 risk to reward, which is good. Everything that's 2 or above, I think it's pretty good. But again, the price action is not bueno, so it is a risky one. Especially seeing the weakness on Nvidia and Apple. Yeah, but Tesla can move by itself. Like, Tesla doesn't really move the market. And if I wanna play the upside, I would definitely prefer to go with the SPY rather than the Q, because the SPY has been holding way better than the Q. Especially watching the weakness on tech right now. Nvidia, let's see if can hold the morning low. That will be the main watch here on Nvidia. If Nvidia cannot hold morning low, we're definitely going way lower. I will say to 109. Nvidia has a gap below that it created from Wednesday till Thursday. It has support at 110, but it has still more room to go lower at 109. Show you guys here what I'm talking about Nvidia. So Nvidia has a gap here. I don't know if you guys can see it from literally here till here. Right, so for me, if cannot hold today's low here, it's around 112.80. First of all, obviously we're going down to Thursday low, and then if we cannot hold Thursday low, we're gonna go down and fill this gap.
It's a fleeting touch, yet feels so fast. A precious moment gone too fast. The golden light will leave but stay in every step throughout your day. Golden hour
It's bouncing there, which is good.
is the land, a timeless gift from nature's hand. Whispers of dawn that heal, make whole, filling the cracks inside your soul.
Anyone got that 200 rejection on Apple? Or the VWAP rejection on Tesla?
Morning peeks through the window glass. Golden light makes the shadows dash. Rise and shine, let the day unfold. The world is waiting, its stories untold. Hello, sunshine, you light my way, painting the sky in
Not an ugly price action, to be honest.
each new dawn, a gift to keep, a treasure found while the world's asleep.
Apple Boots? Yeah, that 200 reaction was pretty clean.
Songs of life in the rhythm of feet. With every ray, the dark retreats.
Man, this is so slow.
Melodies, it all repeats. Hello, sun,
What's keeping SPY holding? I don't see it.
paints in the sky in bright array. Each new dawn, a gift to keep, a treasure found while the world's asleep.
AMD? I'm not even looking at AMD, and AMD is a waste of time. That thing's been so choppy for months. I think for me, AMD is a stock that if you want to invest in it, just buy shares and forget about it. You want to trace things that move easy, that are easy to read, easy to trade. AMD is not one of those right now. Well, it hasn't been one of those for like months. I will say a year.
The sky cracks open with a burst of light. A brand new canvas painted in white. I stretch my arms to the waking sun. Another day, the adventure's begun. Good morning, universe. I see you shine. The stars have slept and the world is mine. With
Tesla dead.
I'm alive.
Let me check what Amazon is doing. Not much. Nothing, to be honest. Meta. Also nothing. It's right at resistance, so not much we can expect there. Google. Trying to hold, but also not doing much. We have a bunch of nothingness. I think Apple was a clean. Apple and Tesla were pretty clean on rejecting important levels and the VWAP. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna have a flush here on the queue. Nvidia starting to move lower. Definitely if Nvidia loses morning low and Microsoft loses the VWAP, we're gonna have the Q dying here. Very slow, weird price action. Why is everything so slow?
The city hums its own ballet. Cars and footsteps sink our sway. The world may spin, but we'll keep pace.
VWAP rejection here on the queue, maybe?
Find our space. Oh, we're dancing, hearts untied. Every beat, a joy inside. The morning calls, so let's obey and waltz together into the day.
I'm gonna try it out. My stop loss is this high here, the VWAP pretty much. Let's see.
The morning slips through the curtains frame, a golden invitation to life's sweet game. Stretch my arms like wings, give a yawn or two.
So basically I want to see the Q keep rejecting the VWAP.
Grateful for the gifts that this day will embrace. Rise and shine, it's a beautiful day. Sunbeams calling, can't stay away. Take a deep breath.
If it doesn't work, I'll be out and done, to be honest, because I don't want to keep watching this chop mess.
Birds hold harmonies just for me to hear. Each note a whisper, the world's yours, my dear. Windows wide open.
Yeah, I'm out. Done. I'm done for today, guys. This is not what I want to trade, to be honest. That was a nice hold there. Too choppy for my taste. SPY, definitely nice hold here also. And I see Nvidia holding morning low. That's what pretty much make the Q bounce here. And this is also a perfect reason why I always say SPY is the king. The Q don't matter much, because we can see how the Q went under the VWAP and it was rejecting there, but the SPY was holding and keeps holding the VWAP and support. What was that? Where does that move come from?
Whispers of light slip through the trees. A gentle hum rides the morning breeze. Birds in chorus, their sweet refrain, welcoming the day again and again. Oh, the sound of life as the sun ascends, the melody of mornings where peace transcends. Every note a world to explore, the sound of a beautiful morning once more. The kettle sings its cheerful tune. Coffee brews to greet the noon. Footsteps stir on a creaking floor. Echoes of life through the opening door. Oh, the
Well, I got stop out here on this pullback. On this ugly fake out here on the Q. 2 red trades, and I don't feel like taking another one, to be honest.
rustling leaves like a secret shared. The world prepares, it's so laid bare. Each moment strums a quiet string, a morning hymn that makes hearts sing.
I'm mad on the first trade that I got stop out on these candlesticks here on SPY. But on the second one, which was this Q fake out here, I should have known better, because I kind of know that I should wait for SPY to take a trade. And I didn't do it. So on the first trade, kind of mad that I got a fake out. But on the second one, it was my It was my mistake. Especially on a choppy environment. And I knew for sure it was choppy. So that's on me.
I laughed at the mirror, smiled right back. Unstoppable train on this shining track. Every turn I take feels bold and bright.
And now I think it's too late to enter anything. I think the entry was here on SPY. On this pullback. Yeah, definitely I do think FOMC could affect the market, but I think it's more like maybe tomorrow and same Wednesday, especially after having big earnings last week. I think I was not expecting such a choppy price action today. We have a nice bounce here, but it's too slow. Like these candlesticks are choppy. If SPY just keep going here and fills the gap, but that's gonna be painful for me. Ugh. Yeah, this is painful watching the SPY going when I had a good entry here and I got fake out here. The good thing is Microsoft is going higher, which that is good for my swing trade. Let's see if the Q can break this high that's been fighting today. Yeah, Nvidia testing the VWAP and rejecting there. That could give us a pullback. I still think SPY looks very bullish. Can you give us a pullback? Maybe, yes. But SPY definitely looks like wants to go. If you haven't taken any trades yet, that's pretty good. That shows very good discipline. I think SPY holds here, 64. We're gonna see more upside. Okay. Man, what a slow price action. Okay. Yeah, it definitely looks like SPY wants to go for the gap. And not, honestly, I'm not gonna take any other trade. I have two red bigger than what I wanted to. And I don't like how, and it's not because I have two red trades today. It's because I don't like how, even though the market's moving higher, I don't like how it's moving. So I feel like I can get stop out any minute with this type of price action. What's the name of the song? I don't know. It's this. It's. I'm using this Lunar Vibe channel on YouTube. I'm using this one because I think they're pretty chill, great for trading, makes me calm. I really like the coffee playlist that they have. Okay. So yeah, we need the queue to break 487. Is this pre-market high? Nope. I'm so mad at my trade here with SPY. I had such a good entry and I got fake out here, but I should have held this trade because it was holding the VWAP and support. Nvidia holding the VWAP. At least it's trying. I already drink coffee. I might need another one. Nvidia was a clean morning low hold. Magic starts the craze. Watch out this level here. If the Q can hold this level, we want to see a strong break, pull back, and then upside continuation. Oh, to be honest, I don't want to keep watching these because I'm super mad on my trade, on this buy trade. That trade was perfect. Why did I got out of that trade? Well, I know why. Like, it's easier to say this in hindsight, watching pretty much the future, but watching these like BS here, ugly price action, it was easy to get fake out. Still, I should have definitely hold my position here because never lost the VWAP and support. So that was, I hate watching this. FOMO is always gonna be there. So yeah, I don't want to keep watching this. I'm leaving. I'm sorry guys, but I don't want to keep watching this. SPY going for the gap, it hurts. I had a very good trade there. Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm going to the gym. I'm gonna go and destroy my legs. Oh. Hopefully one of you held better this trade. Watch out for Nvidia if you can hold the VWAP. Still, I don't like how Nvidia is moving. Very choppy. Watch out for Apple. I think if Apple can hold the VWAP as support, which is above 200, the 200 level, so it will be holding the 200 level plus the VWAP, that will be pretty bullish. And honestly, I will be looking to enter a swing trade there if Apple can hold the VWAP and 200. The other one that I really like is Microsoft. I'm watching Microsoft. Well, you guys know that I'm already on a swing trade on Microsoft. I'm gonna be looking to take a lot of profits if can go near 440. That's my main PT, 440. So yeah. Yeah, I can see SPY going for the gap. Watch out for Friday's close level here. It's a little bit above, it's around 566. That will be the entire gap. VWAP on Nvidia, VWAP on Apple, 444 on Microsoft, and 487 here on the Q. You want to see like a very strong break out of this level and then a little pullback to play the upside continuation. And I'm out. I'm gonna try to enjoy my day after this stupid day. It's not how I wanted to start the week, but whatever. That's trading. It is what it is. So I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Bye.